干杯。
干杯。
What is this?
奶茶
This is milk tea.
tea.
Let's find out more.
Yeah.
I just discovered a new recipe. I didn't know about it and it's really delicious, so I wanted to share this with you. This is a recipe from your cook,
Yeah.
Yeah.
right? So no one knows it except this family, right? And I find it really delicious. There are only 3 ingredients.
Yeah.
The first one,
The black tea.
black tea, and you need a fragrant nannuoshan red tea, a very fragrant black tea.
fragrant 就有香的香
有
带
香
香味。
nannuoshan with fragrant.
对
fragrant.
对
Second ingredient,
Yes. Tea.
crystallized
crystallized sugar. So like
Crystallized.
rock sugar, crystallized sugar.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And the third one,
Yes.
Milk.
milk, cow milk. So now, how these things works? You put the wok or the pan on the fire, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
First ingredient,
应该是先放
sugar,
糖
right?
put the
草
sugar
糖
Put the sugar inside,
and
一番
Stir fry.
and then you stir fry the
Stir fry
sugar
the
until it melts.
Yeah.
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 And then
You put the black tea.
Put some preparation.
the leaves.
Yeah.
You just put the black tea leaves on the melted sugar, and you just fire them
Yeah.
together.
Fire.
Yeah.
You
Fire.
fire them a little bit,
Yeah. Yeah.
and after a little while,
Put some milk into.
some milk inside in the
inside.
wok, and then you bring it up to temperature, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. And
Boil.
And you boil it for a little
Yeah.
while,
Yeah.
and you get this fantastic drink. It looks like a masala chai, but it's really not. It's you have this sweetness from the sugar, of course, but also a little bit of the caramelized sugar,
That's right.
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
And then the taste of the black tea is very clear, right?
Yeah.
You
Yeah.
can really tell just by drinking it that it's actually black tea. So try it at home and let us know in the comment below how do you like it. Ganbei.
Yeah.
干杯。
干杯，干杯，干杯，干杯
干杯
啊！好。
Ganbei.